we are in our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Judy Garcia.
Now, Judy, what part of the world did you come from?
Florida.
Florida. Okay,
Orlando.
good. And I know you brought your kids. Her kids are amazing. So you're looking at one of the best moms around. Okay, now what did you guys come out for?
Well, we came mainly for my daughter. She has scoliosis, and we've known about you for like over 10 years, followed you, and we knew that this was the place to come.
Okay, what's your experience been like? And it's amazing.
No, we've really enjoyed everything. We've come, everybody's been so personable and nice and helpful, and everything is easy, close by, so it's been amazing.
So what results has your daughter seen? Well, your whole family's.
Well, definitely right off the bat, we see how we're sleeping better, and we already see progress. It's only been a couple of adjustments, and it's amazing to see how quickly we've all been feeling better.
The biggest thing is to correct a scoliosis. It's not bracing, it's not steel rods. You have to change proprioception, or how the brain views the body in space. And once you change that, then your body can regenerate. And I'm hoping both her kids become chiropractors. They're really cool. They're really cool. But I mean, you're doing something radically different. Mm-hmm. And this is not the standard protocol. Why? Where did you come up with this? Where do you have that strength, their courage to make the decisions and not just abdicate authority and go along with, cut, go ahead, put steel rods in?
Oh my goodness. Well, that is such an extreme thing to do. And I've always been the kind of person to ask questions and not just take everything at surface level. And like I said, we've been watching you for years. We tried things closer to us and nothing was working. And it just came to a point where, we want to invest our time and energy in something that's going to work.
And it will continue to work. Even the exercises that I give, she's doing them really well. And it doesn't hurt or anything else. It's actually odd that a correction can be this easy.
It is quite amazing, yeah.
Okay, so what can you tell someone? Because one of the things is there's a fear-based system when people say you have a window of opportunity, and if you don't, then it's going to be permanent and the lungs are going to be crushed, or you've been through a hell. Yeah. And that's what every parent with a child with a scoliosis. And I tell them that it's easier to correct the scoliosis after skeletal maturity between 18 and 25. And while the kids and the teenagers, this is where you get a chance to change how that body is growing. Because the growth spurts, you're going to see progress and digress. But she's doing way better.
Yeah, we're really happy with the progress so far.
Okay, so don't be governed by fear. Know that your body is made in the image and likeness of God. Scoliosis has to do with proprioception, the brain. You have to fix 3 things on scoliosis. What are they?
Physical, chemical, and emotional.
You see, guys can't even say emotion. So you address those 3, and then the body has the best chance to regenerate in a symmetrical fashion, particularly if you do the right force loading. Okay, God bless you. You rock. Okay, and she seems really, really nice. Her kids are amazing. The apple does not fall far from the tree.
You're too kind.
No, God bless you, Mike. You're amazing. Take care of your family. Take care of yourselves. God bless you all.